Trace the uppercase letter A. Awesome! Trace the uppercase letter B. Cool beans! Trace the uppercase letter C. It up! Trace the uppercase letter D. Keep up the good work. Trace the uppercase letter E. Nice! Trace the uppercase letter K. Yay! Trace the uppercase letter L. Good job! Trace the uppercase letter M. Good thinking! Trace the uppercase letter N. Good work! Trace the uppercase letter O. Great! Trace the uppercase letter F. Nice work! Trace the uppercase letter G. Super! Trace the uppercase letter H. Super duper! Trace the uppercase letter I. Sweet! Trace the uppercase letter J. That's right! Trace the uppercase letter P. Great job! Trace the uppercase letter Q. Awesome! Trace the uppercase letter R. Cool beans! Trace the uppercase letter S. Keep it up! Trace the uppercase letter T. Keep up the good work. The uppercase letter U. Nice! Trace the uppercase letter V. Nice work! Trace the uppercase letter W. Super! Trace the uppercase letter X. Super duper! Trace the uppercase letter Y. Sweet. Trace the uppercase letter Z. That's right. Trace the lowercase letter A. Yay! Trace the lowercase letter B. Good job! Trace the lowercase letter C. Good thinking! Trace the lowercase letter D. Good work! Trace the lowercase letter E. Great! Lowercase letter U. Yay! Trace the lowercase letter V. Good job! Trace the lowercase letter W. Good thinking! Trace the lowercase letter X. Good work! Trace the lowercase letter Y. Great! Trace the lowercase letter Z. Great job! Lowercase letter P. Nice work! Trace the lowercase letter Q. Super! Trace the lowercase letter R. Super duper! Trace the lowercase letter S. Sweet! Trace the lowercase letter T. That's right! Trace the lowercase letter K. Awesome! Trace the lowercase letter L. Cool beans! Trace the lowercase letter M. Keep it up! Trace the lowercase letter N. Keep up the good work. Trace the lowercase letter O. Nice! The lowercase letter F. Good job! Trace the lowercase letter G. Good thinking. Trace the lowercase letter H. Good work. Trace the lowercase letter I. Great! Trace the lowercase letter J. Great job!